Alan here for our nursery presentation assembly. As you can see, it is Friday the 17th of December. We're here at the end of what has been an amazing autumn term. Well done to all of those nursery children who have been amazing throughout this term. And for that, they've earned themselves certificates. So you're not going to see a great deal of me today. You're just going to see them in a moment. You'll see them appearing and finding out the certificates that they have won. And a huge congratulations to every single one of you for all of your hard work throughout this term. It has been amazing. So over to them now. Here they are. And here we start with our first lot of English stars in nursery. You can see amazing. So we've got Tatiana, Josh, Ayla, and Maisie. Well done, you four. Look at those big smiley faces. Amazing. Really well done, guys. And congratulations on earning yourselves an English certificate, you superstars. Moving on to our math stars. Look at this. So we've got Grace, we've got Madison, we've got Kaylee, and we've got Milana. Wow, look at you guys, you absolute mathematical superstars. Well done, nursery children, superb there. Kaylee, good wink there, fantastic. So really well done, guys. I'm so proud of you. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Next, we have our reading superstars, and these guys are going to go home with a reading book as well as the certificate. Absolutely great. You've got Ella Bell, we've got Harriet, we've got Vitate, Victor. Well done, guys. Look at you guys. You are so clever. Great reading, and I hope you enjoy your books as well, and you get to take those home as well. You absolute superstar. Big smiles again from you guys. Well done. And next, we've got our Understanding the World. These guys are so inquisitive, asking lots of questions and finding out about lots of things. So we've got Ashton, we've got Ava, we've got Evie, and we've got Kylie. Well done, guys. I am so proud of you. Really well done. Congratulations on earning yourselves a certificate as well at this very autumn term. Well done. And then finally, we've got physical development. Look at these guys doing really well with their physical development. We've got David, we've got Ibrahim, we've got Kian, and we've got Athea. You absolute superstars. Really well done, guys. I am so proud of you. Super job and super effort all the way through with everything you've done this autumn term. Well done. And congratulations on earning yourselves a certificate. Well done, everyone, indeed. What a fantastic effort from everyone. And it just leaves me to say a very Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you have a wonderful and happy Christmas. And please do all stay safe. Finally, as well, as you can see, back to school on Tuesday, the 4th of January, 2022. And the gates will be open at 8:30. It'd be lovely to see you all after Christmas, safe and well. So please do stay safe, stay well, have a very Merry Christmas, and we'll see you all in the new year in 2022. Well done, everyone. Bye-bye now.